Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'll be guiding you through how to change your password on MetaMask. In order to open up your MetaMask account, you will be prompted to enter your wallet's password. If you ever want to change your password that you've previously set up, you can simply follow the steps till the end. Tap open your MetaMask application and log into your wallet. Once you're logged into your MetaMask account, click on the gear button at the bottom right corner. This will open up the settings menu, from where simply tap on security and privacy. Scroll all the way down to the password option under security and privacy. Tap change password and then enter your current password for your wallet. Once you are done, tap on confirm. It'll then ask you to create a new password for your wallet. Remember that the password will only unlock your MetaMask wallet on this device. Enter the new password you'd like to set and confirm it by entering it once again in the next field. Once you are done, tap on the little box at the bottom and tap on reset password. Wait for a few seconds and you have now successfully updated your MetaMask wallet's password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Till then, goodbye.